So in this video, we are going to solve question 5 of ICSE Computer Applications 2017 paper. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to receive all the latest updates. So the question says, write a program to accept a number and check and display whether it is a SPI number or not. A number is SPI if the sum of its digits equals the product of its digits. Example, consider the number 1124. Sum of digits is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 8. Product of digits is 1 into 1 into 2 into 4 is 8. So 8 and 8 product and sum is equal. So 1124 is a SPI number. So let's get to coding now. I need to read input from the user. So I will use a scanner. Closing the scanner. Ask the user to input a number. Enter a number. Read an integer. Int n is equals to scanner dot next int. I will write two methods, one to find the sum of the digits and the second to find the product of the digits. The method to find the sum of the digits. Static int get digits sum takes the value of an integer, keeping it static because I will be calling it directly from the main. The sum of the digits to return. Int sum is equals to 0. Return this sum. Convert integer to string. String nstr is equals to blank plus n. I'm converting this integer into a string because it is easier for me to get all the digits then. Iterate the string for int I is equals to 0, I is less than n str dot length I plus plus. Get this digit. Int digit is equals to n str dot caret I minus 0. Add this digit to the sum. Sum is equal to sum plus digit, and then finally we return the sum. I will write another method to find the product of the digits. The method to find the product of the digits. Static, keeping it static because I will be calling it directly from the main. Int get digits product. Int n. The product to return int p is equals to 1. Return the product. Return p. And now we calculate this value of the product. Again, I will use the same idea to convert the integer to string. Convert integer to string. String nstr is equals to blank plus n. Iterate the string for int I is equals to 0, I is less than n str dot length I plus plus. Get this digit. Int digit is equals to n str dot caret of I minus constant character 0. Multiply this digit to the product. So far p is equals to p into digit, and then we are returning the product. So in the main, all I need to do is check if the sum of digits is equals to the product of digits. The sum of digits equals the product of digits if get digits sum n is equals to get digits product n, show message this is a SPY number, sys out n is a SPY number, else show message this is not a SPY number. Let's run this. I input the first sample case, which is a SPY number, of course. Then I input another case, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 into 2 is 4, correct. Then I enter another case, 1 1 1 3 3 3. So 3 into 3 into 1 into 1 will give you 9, and 3 plus 3 plus 1 will give you 9. Another simple case, 0, and another case which is incorrect is this. So I hope this video was helpful. So please do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.